I have recently completed internship project at Ivy. During my internship project, I have gained knowledge how to handle imbalance classification problem using statistics and machine learning. I have also gained unique ideas on PPT presentation and storytelling. The entire experience was excellent and very informative.
1 month internship program with Ivy helped me a lot, like how to deal with exploratory data analysis using Python, especially the machine learning part, how to implement those part using in real-time practical cases, and it was a great learning journey for me with the help of our mentors from Ivy's, and also the building a real-time project presentation, dealing with real-time exposure with deadlines and constant deadline support. That is being a really helpful for me.
Recent days I have done internship on Python, and it was a lovely experience working on that internship. It was a business application.
As an aspiring data analyst, it has been a tremendous experience with Ivy. In the Python internship program, gained lot of ideas, especially on treating the imbalanced data, preparing presentations and storytelling within a specified limit. Lot of spontaneity was encouraged and a strict deadline was followed. Despite being a group work, ample amount of individual care was given.
I had a great experience with Ivy Internship Program because after gaining wholesome theoretical knowledge on EDA statistical analysis,
I would like to thank the Ivy and Ishani ma'am for giving this excellent opportunity.
Thank you, Ivy, for giving me this opportunity.
To thank Ivy Pro School for giving me an opportunity for this internship, and I would like to also convey these messages to the new students to go for this internship, as this is going to be a great add-on for securing the data science jobs in future.
I would like to thank my mentors and Ivy Professional School for giving me this opportunity.